a wonderful example of the wonderful monument in India, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world, and that is Taj Mahal. Now let us see that how Taj Mahal is related with science and with arts. Now at this juncture, I will tell you that a very a popular thing for the teachers, especially the science teachers, is STEAM. You might be knowing about STEAM. S, it is science, and T is technology, E is engineering, A is arts, and M is maths. This is an acronym, STEAM. First it was STEM only, but we have introduced art into it. Now I'll again come back to Taj Mahal. See, Taj Mahal is having all these things. When you talk of Taj Mahal, then first thing, why we say science? Because this monument is made up of marble stone, Sangamarmar. So, that is science. You can call it, maybe chemistry more. And then technology. When we talk of technology, then mostly it comes to our mind whatever is, today the digital things. But that time, the traditional technology was there. See, it was so many years back, with what kind of technology this Taj Mahal was built. Just imagine a wonderful technology of that time. That Taj Mahal, the beauty, has survived the test of time. So the technology is there. Science, technology, now engineering. It is a wonderful architecture, an example of architecture. That is the engineering. A beautiful plan, a beautiful, all these things, that 4 minarets are there, and in the center, this Taj Mahal Gumbad is there. So that way, lots of engineering is there. Now, maths. I'm just now leaving art from this. I'm going to maths. See, when we make a building, then we have to take lots of measurements, lots of calculations, lots of, maths is required. So maths is also there. Now the arts. Not only this building, but the landscape which is around Taj Mahal. It is also, done with such an artistic bent of mind. So maybe some artists were also there who were just interacting with the engineers, with the technologists, and with the scientists of that time. So that's how, the arts come into it. And the stories connected to this monument of the great emperor, and a story of that much, great expression of love in the Taj Mahal, that so many movies were made. And today also the story of Taj Mahal, it is, the greatest love story. And then, when somebody visit that place in a beautiful sky with the full moon, it looks so beautiful. The people make the paintings. So lots of art is there.